Ndewo. No. Welcome back to our page. Today we'll be looking at Igbo words that begins with O, that is the letter O without a dot under. The Igbo language is made up of 8 vowels. In these 8 vowels, we can find the O sound, which is the heavy vowel, which is a heavy vowel, O, the O without a dot, and it is pronounced as O, O, O. It is a heavy vowel sound. Ka anyị bido. Let's begin. Otu, 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 otu. Otu means one. Otu, when you're referring to the number 1. Otu. This word can also be called Otu, 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 meaning the group of people, a group, a union. Otu for group, Otu for the number 1. Otu group, Otu number 1. This is to tell us that the Igbo language is a tonal language. One word can mean several things depending on the pronunciation. Otu, 1, Otu, group. Oche, oche, chair. Oche, chair. Oche, chair, chair. Ozi, ozi, message, information. Ozi, ozi. Ozi na-eru m aka ugbu a bụ na asị onye ọbụla soba asụsụ Igbo. The information reaching me now is that everyone should speak the Igbo language. Onye ọbụla soba asụsụ Igbo. Ozi na-eru m aka. Ozi can be message, it can be information. Oge, oge, time. Whenever we're talking of time, we're talking of oge. It can be a period, it can be a time frame. Oge, oge. Onye, onye, onye. Onye has dual function. It can function as the person, a person, and also it functions as who whenever you're asking a question. Who is knocking? Onye na-akụ. Who is knocking? Onye na-akụ. Who is playing? Onye na-egwu egwu. Onye na-egwu egwu. That is for who. Then for person, onye m na-ekwu maka ya bụ Chidimma. The person I'm talking about is Chidimma. Onye m na-ekwu maka ya bụ Chidimma. The person I am talking about is Chidimma. Olu, olu, voice. Olu, voice. Your voice, olugi. Olu can also be the neck. Voice, voice, your vocals, your voice. Olu, olu. Okay, 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 rat. Okay, rat. This word also can stand for okay. That is boundary. Okay, share. Okay, male. Depending on the usage, depending on the context, depending on the usage in a sentence. Okay, share. Okay, boundary. Okay, male. Okay, rat. Okay, rat. For you to learn more about donation, visit our website at www.igboclass.com. There you'll find a full lesson word donations, how to identify them, how to mark different words in Igbo language. Our next word is Obu. 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 Cap. Obu is used for cap. Cap. Obu. Obu dị iche iche. Different caps. Obu. Cap. Ofe. Ofe. Soup. Ofe. Soup. Ndị Igbo nwere ofe dị iche iche dịka ofe ọha, ofe egusi, ofe ọgbọnọ, ofe nsala, ofe owere, ofe achara, wee dịrị gawazie. Ofe soup. Oroma. Oroma. Orange. Oroma. Orange. Oroma. Oroma for orange. Okwu. 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 Speech. Okwu. Speech. That is a talk. That's the noun form. A talk. A talk. A talk. The noun form, not the verb form. The noun form. A talk. The talk. The speech. Ogo. 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 Level or height. Ogo. Kedu ogo ị nọ na ya? What level are you? Kedu ogo ị nọ na ya? Ogo. Level or height. So you can use level or height for ogo. Ogo. Obodo. 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 Obodo can mean your town, it can mean a city, it can mean a metropolis, it can mean a village, it can mean a community. Obodo. 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 Where you're from or where you're living. Kedu obodo ị nọ na ya? Where are you? The town, the state. Kedu obodo ị nọ na ya? It can also mean a nation. Obodo is just a group of people living together. A group of people living together. Someone might ask you, kedu obodo ị nọ na ya? Anọkwa m na USA. Anọkwa m na Canada. Anọ m n'obodo Canada. Anọ m na obodo Cameroon. Anọ m na obodo India, and so on. Obodo. It can also mean your town. Kedu obodo gị? Abụ m onye Abagana. Abụ m onye Ihiala. Abụ m onye Nsụka. Omume. 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 Behavior. Omume. Behavior. Omume gị amaka. Omume gị dị mma. Your behavior is good. Omume gị ajọka. Gbanwee akparamagwa gị. Gbanwee omume gị. Change your behavior. It is not good. Omume. Behavior. Behavior. Omume. That's your character. Omume. Ohu. Ohu. For a slave. Ohu. Ohu. A slave is known as Ohu. Ohu. A slave. Odibo. A servant. A servant. Odibo. A servant. Ohu. A slave. A slave is servant. Ohu. Odibo. Ogbo. Ogbo. Sponge. Ogbo, sponge. Ogbo, a sponge. Obi, obi, obi. Obi refers to the heart. The mind can also be referred to as obi. Obi, the heart, the mind. It can also be the chest. Obi, the chest. This word can also mean obi. Obi, that is the living room. The living room. The heart of the compound. Obi ezinụlọ. Obinna, the house, the main hut in the compound. Ogwu, 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 son. Ogwu, son. Ogwu, son. Ozu, ozu, a corpse. Ozu, corpse. Ozu, that is a dead body. Ozu, a corpse. Okorobia, okorobia, a young man. Okorobia, okorobia, a young man. A person that is in the youth. But this word is for men. Aborobia is for women. Okorobia, aborobia, making up ntorobia. So ntorobia is a general text for both male and female. Then when we are talking about a young man, we are talking of okorobia. Young men, okorobia. Okorobia for a young man. Okorobia for a young man. This brings us to the end of our video today. Till I come your way again, I am Chiamaka. Kemesia.